Hi, my name is Mrs. Lewis, and I am the visual art teacher here at VWHS High School, and I'm going to talk to you about Fundamentals of 3D. Fundamentals of 3D is a course much like Fundamentals of 2D and Fundamentals of Art, but rather we are exploring the 3D mediums. So very similar to also Ceramics and Sculpture 1, which I used to teach and now has changed over to Fundamentals of 3D. We'll be exploring different ways to use clay and to use clay in hand building techniques, slab building, and also some smaller size sculptures. So in this course, we are mostly using clay. Sometimes we'll be using recycled materials such as cardboard. We could be using plaster. And in this course, we are using rubrics to grade our work. We are also doing peer-to-peer critique to analyze and give feedback on our work. And we'll also be doing sketchbook assignments before each project to get your ideas out. And we will also be doing sketchbook prompts throughout the semester, just as a different way to think creatively in terms of 3D art, but doing it in our sketchbook in a 2D way. So in this course, there are no prerequisite requirements. This is kind of a starter course for anybody wanting to do any courses like Ceramics and Sculpture 2, Studio Sculpture, Studio Ceramics, or AP Art with a concentration in 3D. So there are no prerequisites for this course. This is a starter course that serves as a prerequisite for the courses that I mentioned earlier. So that is Fundamentals of 3D.